Hello everyone, this is Dr. Ankita. I cleared my MRCP Part 2 exam in the first attempt. I started my preparation 5 months before the exam due date. So I was simultaneously working and I had a small baby to take care. My baby was 5 months old then. So that is when I wanted a preparation strategy where I can cover most of the topics and which is simple and precise. So with my friend's suggestion, I took MRCP syndrome subscription. I took the entire package, including the past paper discussion. So when I started with my preparation with the help of MRCP syndrome, I found the Pearl notes to be very informative, precise and exam oriented. I was also simultaneously solving the past papers question bank. So I set my target that in a day I have to solve at least 100 questions. So that is when that helped me a lot, and that gave me confidence that I can prepare for my exams in 4 months due time. So it was very challenging though. I had to manage my baby and at the same time I was working, so I had to manage with my work. So whenever I used to get free time in my work, that is when I was solving questions. When I was back at home, I was concentrating on Pearl notes, so that helped me system-wise preparation for the Part 2 exam. Coming to the course, as I was telling you, Pearl notes were very informative, very precise, and I was going on through the Pearl notes. And in the last 2 months, I was concentrating on solving only the past papers. So with the help of Madbox series. So I would say Madbox is something which anybody shouldn't miss when you're going to your Part 2 preparation. That gives you so much information, and it is easy. It takes less time, so it's less time consuming. So including few discussions with the radiology topics, images, image-based questions. So that helped me a lot when I took the radiology subscription also with MRCP syndrome. And the pacemaker information provided by MRCP syndrome was also very precise and informative. So that was my study strategy. I was solving questions and doing Pearl notes. In the last 2 months, I did only past papers and was going through the Madbox. And in the last week of the exam, I was repeatedly studying the Madbox so that I don't forget on the important things. And I made few notes from the past test questions also. So in the last week, I was able to revise them, also revise the Madbox. So this is my preparation strategy. So I would thank Dr. Ahat for helping me out in clearing the Part 2 exam. So as well as I would wish all the best to the future aspirants of MRCP Part 2. Do well.